Now, come next year when the Jamaica Premier League kicks off, several players could find themselves on the sidelines if they are not vaccinated against the COVID-19 virus. More in this report.
Chairman of the PFJL, Chris Williams, says there will be no compromising when the new season of the Jamaica Premier League kicks off next year. According to Williams, everyone who wants to be a part of the product must roll up their sleeves and take the jab.
The board decided and made a recommendation to JFF, and it was approved that 100% vaccination in order to play or participate in any form in the Jamaica Premier League. Whether you're a spectator, whether you're a press, whether you're a groundsman, to get into the stadium that we're playing, 100% vaccination.
Williams was asked about the player's right to refuse the jab.
We have no issues with exercising your right. We just feel that we have to operate within the resources that we have available to us. We cannot afford testing every player every week like we did for season 1. We cannot afford it.
The league was scheduled to kick off in mid-January, but that doesn't seem to be a certainty at the moment.
We have applied for the start of the league, and we are awaiting feedback on that. And we have also applied for spectators, and we're awaiting update on that.
Williams was speaking at Monday's sponsorship signing, where VM Group are the latest to come aboard the Jamaica Premier League.
We're the only show in the Caribbean. We're the only show happening in the Caribbean. And this is going to be impacting us years from now, because it means that we're going to be able to be that much further ahead in our development of these youngsters.
According to VM Group Chief Investment Officer Devon Barrett, they'll be giving free financial education to the players at any of their 16 locations across the island. Jerome Foster, TVJ Sports.